Work hard and become a leader. Or, be lazy and become a slave. Laziness is a dangerous thing. It's the secret ingredient to failure and the poison to success. Most of us know and understand this, however all of us at some point in time have caved and bitten into its non-productive taste. Laziness is our most comfortable enemy, while discipline is our most uncomfortable friend. Why and how does laziness become so destructive to our success? Simply because the value of time vanishes within the mentality of the lazy. Today becomes tomorrow, tomorrow becomes every day. The value of our time is lost, and what could have gotten accomplished yesterday still waits on us today. Laziness produces bad luck and failure. Lazy people are always the losers in life. Dr. T.P. Chia. End laziness today and take control of your success with advisors. Any further question about this, and if you are still confused, please feel free to click the link below. I do offer a free one-on-one free consultation by me, to get you to understand this 100% so your business could get over this hurdle. For this free service, click the link below www.ericgilljr.com and sign up on my website for a free consultation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Residual Knowledge TV.